Go for it.
Ready to get bombed?
Yeah, get bombed.
The shelter you have just entered is a section of a real air raid shelter brought over to the museum in 2008 from RAF Tangmere's domestic site about a mile away. The original complete shelter was probably constructed at the time of the Munich crisis in 1938.
Oh, blimey.
It was located near to one of the large H-shaped barrack blocks and would have been used as a shelter for about 50 airmen and airwomen during the Battle of Britain and throughout the rest of the war.
50.
The main
50,
German
yeah.
Luftwaffe
Having
attack
a
on
laugh.
Tangmere took place at 1 o'clock in the afternoon of Friday the
Must have
16th
known he's
when
got to know
17
each other
German
better.
bombers broke through the defending Hurricanes and Spitfires and bombed the
It's one of them
airfield.
get your nose, you
Let's imagine we're back at RAF Tangmere on that day.
Especially
It's
someone's
lunchtime,
fast.
and you've been ordered to go into the shelter.
You're going to blow this up.
You know from
Because
the
it's weak
announcement
out.
I just dropped my own bomb.
enemy dive bombers is approaching from the direction of the Isle of Wight.
Oh,
The air raid siren is about to sound the warning of the
Here we
approaching
go.
German aircraft,
Do you want to
and
blow
you will
off?
soon
Do it
hear
now.
Tangmere's Hurricane squadrons taking off to meet the enemy. Spitfires from nearby West Hampton Aerodrome are already airborne.
so
Here we go. Quick, get in the air raid shelter. Feel it.
Wait for it.
I think we're going to get blown up in a minute.
Something's going to happen.
Something's gonna happen.
Yeah,
It's gonna
better
go
do. Might just colder in here, innit?
That's what we're coming in.
Just think when our parents was young, this was really happening.
Especially mine, I was in Belgium, like 57.
Oh yeah,
You know what I mean?
I mean, well missed it.
Oh, well, missed it.
yeah. I thought
It's
we
holding up well, isn't it? Oh, hang on. That's a snooker. Isn't it? Snooker.
Oh, imagine that.
What? Yeah. Direct ball.
No, he's come to see we're being bombed.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. Is the Euro ball coming?
that's it. Lights that.
His door's open.
Supposed to shut the door and do it.
Oh,
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Shut
we
the
didn't know
door.
that. Yeah,
Shut
that's
the
all
door.
right. Nah.
Chicken.
Oh, well, I didn't know. Didn't know that. Yeah, I thought it was strange not having a door. Oh, it's all right.
About 9 tries normal.
Yeah. Get warmer, wouldn't it, in here?
It was a try, I'll be alright.
All right.
Yeah. That's it. That's all clear now.
All clear
Yeah, all
now.
done.
Well, it's stood
Oh,
up
is that
well
it?
as it goes. Very well. We had a direct tip from a snooker. That snooker was it?
Snooker.
Yeah,